and welcome back to my channel. Today on this channel I'll be showing you how to make a very simple banana cake recipe all in one bowl and your hand whisk, and the result is amazing. So let's get started. So everything is already prepared. Hands are clean, washed clean, banana clean. So just make sure that your ingredients are washed. And so you want to use an overripe banana like you use one you can see here. So I'm using one large banana. So if you're using smaller one, you can use two. So everything just goes into the bowl. And you mash. Okay. Yeah, so that's where my whisk comes in. So I'm going to just dump everything in no particular order. Dump my eggs. Dump my melted butter, my sugar, my milk, my flour. So I have flour mixed with cinnamon and salt. I'm using the self-raising flour. That cinnamon flavor is very, very inviting. So like I said, it's all in one bowl. And this is optional. I'm adding some mixed fruits and some chocolate chips, so it's totally optional. So add a little because I want to sprinkle this on top. So now we just get mixing. Mix. Just love this recipe for its simplicity. I forgot my flavor. So that's 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So just give everything a good mix until it's all combined. It just needs to be combined. So I still like to fold. This goes into a loaf pan. I'll drop detailed measurement of my ingredients to use in the description below, so be sure to check that for the accurate measurements for this recipe. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please don't forget to click the like button, share this video, comment, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about my one bowl recipe. Do you like it? Are you going to try it? Tag me on Instagram at livelycakes23. Like I said before, I was going to sprinkle my chocolate chips, so I just love to see that. Chocolate chips. Yeah, I will sprinkle chocolate chips. This is mixed fruit, so I'm sprinkling my mixed fruit because I just want to see that mixed fruity flavor on top of my cake. And yeah, I'm going to sprinkle my chocolate chips. So this is totally optional. It's for you who love this extra sweetness or taste of chocolate. So like, share, leave a comment below. This was the oven and I'll bake. So let's take it to the oven. 40 minutes later, your banana loaf cake is ready. The texture is amazing. The taste, everything about this cake is just amazing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, leave a comment below. Let's know your thoughts about this recipe. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.